Internet, my name is Rocky Rat, and this is an unboxing video. I've never done one of these before, but I figured, what the heck, I got a new thing, so why not? Now, I know my channel is pretty much all gaming stuff so far, but that's really very little of what I do, which I would actually honestly expect of a lot of most people. You know, they don't sit and play video games all day, even if their YouTube channels make it look that way. So yeah, I don't. During the summer months, I very much prefer to be outside hiking and everything, and going on day hikes and stuff. This is kind of my first day hike backpack. I got it from the Sierra Club for making a donation, and I still use it. I've been using it quite a bit, and it's held up quite well for how cheap it is. I mean, it's super thin. I mean, even the bottom of it, I mean, it's a single layer, just this synthetic, whatever you call it, drawing a blank. Then it's this fake leather straps. Looks nice, but, you know, they're starting, the leather straps, I don't know if you can see this, but they're, you know, starting to tear and everything. So I needed something a little more durable. So the next thing I went to was this, which is quite literally just a bag. I mean, it's got a tiny little pocket here that's almost useless for anything. You know, inside it's got this little tech gadgety pocket, which, you know, I'd keep my phone and everything in there when I go hiking. But, I mean, it's not the most comfortable. I mean, it's a single strap, but it is this kind of a thick canvas, and it's double layered on the bottom. And this little handy handle here has made it nice, and on top of that, you know, it's kind of real leather. But I really liked the style of the Sierra Club bag more, but I wanted the durability of this, and so I found on Amazon a bag by Gootium, or Gootium is how I believe it's labeled. Set these down there. So I decided to go ahead and get it. I try not to buy too much stuff off Amazon. I try to support, you know, local businesses and stuff. But I got some Amazon gift cards for Christmas, so I decided, what the heck? And supposedly, this box contains my Gootium rucksack for day hikes and everything. So yeah, let's make sure it's the right item and kind of give it its first once over. Alright, let's get my handy knife here, and let's just cut our tape. This one's already kind of mangled on this side. Alrighty. Something to scare my son with later. Alright, there it is. Look at this. Yeah, Gootium. I thought it was Gootium or something like that when I first saw it. When researching the company and everything, I found that it was Gootium, and it's actually just Gootium. But already, I mean, it feels, I mean, just as nice. It's a little bit darker than this bag I've been using, but I mean, it feels, without even unfolding or anything, it already feels a lot more durable. One of the things I really liked, one of the selling points for me, were the straps having the metal rings on them, so they didn't wear out as quickly. Nice big thick tag on here, makes it look all fancy. Looks almost like, sounds like my son's having fun in the bathtub. But yeah, it's pretty fancy looking. Let's start opening it up and see what we got here. Oh yeah, I like those straps. Those are nice and padded. They feel nice. These snaps. Now that's one of the things I did see on the reviews on Amazon, is that these have a habit of breaking, I guess. I'll keep an eye on that and report back later if I get much trouble with them. Now, as you can see, it's much similar to, or very similar, much similar. That makes good English. Very similar to the Sierra Club bag. Hopefully you can see that. You know, you got the flap, you got the 2 pockets on the side. Very classic design. So far though, I'm really liking it. Let's check the little pockets first. Let's save the big main pocket for later. So we can go ahead and open this up. And it has the snaps here. It looks like, are they snaps? Yes, they are. That's interesting. I'm not sure if I like that or not, but we'll see how it holds up. I guess if I needed a quick access to my bag or something, it'd be nice, but I think I prefer it to be secured. I might actually modify this so it doesn't come off. Yeah, very simple, you know, medium-sized pocket there. The leather does feel a bit on the cheap side, but it is definitely better than what I had. I mean, the canvas is nice and thick. You know, I mean, nothing real super special or flashy about it. Yeah, these 3 pockets, just pockets. Let's see if we got anything. Let's take this tag off real quick. Okay, sorry about the sudden drop in video quality. The battery died on my other camera, so I had to switch to one of my older ones that will let me actually plug it in. So where was I? I removed the tag, and so this, oh, my son is really having a good time in there. This is what I dislike the most about this bag so far, is the snap setup here. I will definitely modify it so that those don't come unsnapped, and instead, you know, you'll have to utilize the straps, which are much higher quality than these snaps. Again, as I've seen on some reviews, the snaps have a habit of breaking, so I don't really trust them. So anyway, yeah, once we open it up here, we got this big old pocket here, which, I mean, is much like the one on this bag, my other canvas bag, but obviously quite a lot larger. I could probably fold this up and fit it into this one if I really tried. Yeah, so I mean, I do like that, the bigger pocket there. Now, the bottom is not double layered and not reinforced. That is a big disappointment for me. I was really hoping that it would be a little thicker on the bottom, but let's not judge it yet. It may, you know, it may hold up. Now, there was one reviewer on Amazon who claims to have gone through a motorcycle accident, as well as 4 years of high school and all sorts of abuse, camping, hiking, all that. And the picture that they put on the review of the pack looks like it held up quite well. You know, I really do hope that my experience is just as good, sans motorcycle accident. Yeah, I mean, overall, this seems like a really good bag, and I'm excited to abuse the hell out of it this summer. Yeah, I'm impressed. Only 2 complaints from first: the snaps and the single layered bottom. It is reinforced around the bottom as far as stitching goes, so I'm not worried about, you know, the stitching and it falling apart or anything, but I'm just more worried about it getting wore through, because my backpacks go everywhere with me, so they do tend to get some abuse, you know. And this may become my primary backpack and not just like a hiking pack. I don't know. I do really like it, so we'll see how that goes. These straps and everything, I will report back after the summer, so, you know, this fall or winter of this year, and let you know how it held up. In the meantime, I'm gonna go beat this thing up some and have some fun doing it. All right, Internet. Thanks for watching, and please leave a comment, like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video. Later.